we're going to be building a post and beam house, and we're going to be doing it from scratch. We're going to get the logs, we're going to cut them, and then turn them into square logs and put them up. And when you do the mortise and tenon, to put them, the posts and beams together, you have to have dowels. Now you can get any dowel. I got this at Bibbins Ace. You know, it's a nice maple dowel. It's perfect. But to keep with the aesthetic beauty, we're going to do, I have some red oak that we're going to make dowels out of to put in so it'll look very rustic. First off, I did some of the steps, but I'll describe it to you. You have a round oak log, and you want to square it. So you just take them all, and you do all four sides so it comes out square. I've done that already, so you don't have to watch it. And this is red oak, and you can see it's beautifully squared. It's a large piece too. And then these are the side pieces come out, the parts that break off. You also have those. Now what I'm going to make these about 1 inch diameter, these dowels. Red oak, nice straight grain, it's moist, splits well, and I'm going to measure the top to make sure we get an inch in depth. And what we use, just use a hatchet, start it up, you should be able to split it right down. See if we can get it in with this metal one a little further. There we go. And you come off with a piece. Beautiful. Now, what we want to do is again measure it in. So you can just split it again. Now these dowels are going to be about 10 inches in length. Obviously this is a lot longer than that. So, and it's square. So when we're doing the holes, we're going to drill round holes. Don't want to be putting a square peg in a round hole. We learned that a long time ago. And this is twice as long. So you just cut it in half, and you come up with 10, 11 inch dowel. And what you want to do, you can take a chisel and just kind of take the edge off. So you come down and you just round out the edges. Sometimes a knife works better. You can just take down the edges and round them out. And what you come up with is a nice dowel. It's rounded out and it's still moist. So I'm going to let these dry. And if you just keep going like this, you end up with all your dowels that you need. And then they can hang out an inch and be hooks even if you want to.